Copy.
He went west on Main, and I lost sight of him.
Y'all can turn around and kill somebody get southbound in case it goes back.
56-10.
Okay, I never saw him continue west on Main, so it looks like he may have went left and then north back towards the air base on that road that runs parallel to 57. '79, can you continue to watch those cameras to make sure that I didn't miss him if he continued on?
Civil.
I didn't see him south from Redmond.
Yeah, he never got back on over it. Never mind. Little Rock, there's a car in the roadway, 57 northbound, number 2 lane, Main Street. I'll be out.
I did not see him go up the Service Road, James Street. Did not.
What's that road that runs up to the airbase in front of the PD? I think he went that road because I never saw him go west towards past the Sonic.
I've got a tow truck. My dad's up on his way up here with a tow truck. I just need somebody to, like, oh, I don't know, keep me from getting hit.
You think it'll drive?
It might. I can try to get it off the freeway. I just didn't want to.
Well, let's try to back up to this exit.
That's fine.
I don't know. I'm out with this 1044. I'll try to get him to back up to the James Street.
Come on.
That rider had a backpack. It was dark color because the white helmet had graphics along the helmet. And it was a red sports bike.
No, it's not wanting to move.
It won't move at all forward and back. What record service is it?
My dad's going
Did
his
a
way.
motorcycle pass you?
Yeah.
Super fast?
Man, the kid shouldn't be on 2 wheels.
Hold on. I'm not 19.
He flew past me. I moved over so I don't hit him.
I don't know.
And some kid, he's got a white eagle on the back of it with a red A underneath it. And no, that kid should not be on 2 wheels.
1022 last. That motorcycle went northbound past the 1044.
Yeah. Who was that?
Come on.
That is my dad.
Where's the record?
I don't know. Conveyance 11. 917 Young King Boy.
Hold on.
Come on.
Fine, 56.
57 north down Redmond.
Will you come and sit on this hill right after Main Street? Keep traffic off of us.
Hey, get all your stuff out and get ready to
Yes,
run.
sir.